What's going on, my sexy people? So this is what I do every day. I make a juice right in the morning, first thing in the morning. It's a great way to get the nutrients right into your system. Keep in mind, it is delicious. It may not look like it. I add a little bit of flavor, maybe some apple or some cantaloupe or something like that. So in this one, I use cantaloupe. It's a great way to keep it delicious, keep it balanced, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks. Sexy people, gonna make y'all a quick juice.